Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be looking at normal X-ray anatomy of the elbow joint, starting first with the elbow on anteroposterior or frontal projection. For orientation first, this is the right elbow joint. This direction upwards is proximal. This is distal. This is our radiographic right or the lateral aspect. And this is the radiographic left or the medial aspect. Proximally, number one, we have the humerus. And number two here is the lateral epicondyle. And the protrusion immediately below the lateral epicondyle is the capitulum. Number four, this space here is the humeroradial joint. It's called the humeroradial joint because it is the joint space between the humerus and the radius below it. Speaking of the radius, number five, this is the radial head, and immediately below it is the radial neck. Inferiorly still, this is the shaft of the radius. And adjacent to the radius is the ulna. Number 8, this is the ulnar shaft. This protrusion here, coming from the radius and protruding into the ulna, is called the radial tuberosity. Number 10 here, this joint space here is the proximal radio-ulnar joint. Number 11 is the trochlea of the humerus. And number 12 is the olecranon. This is the olecranon. Number 13 is the medial epicondyle. And finally, number 14, this depression here is the olecranon fossa. This in turn is the lateral view of the same right elbow. For orientation, number 1 again is our humerus. And number 14, becoming clearly in lateral view, is the olecranon fossa, or the depression located in the distal humerus. Number 12, the olecranon, is a protrusion from the ulna. 15 is the trochlear notch. And 16 here, this depression here is the intercondylar fossa. 17 is the coronoid process. And finally, number 18, this is the ulnar tuberosity. The ulnar tuberosity is a protrusion from the ulna protruding towards the radius.